In this tutorial, we will cover how to mark and remove outliers from a dataset. We will be using the flag outlier node and the row filter node in this example. We use the flag outlier node to mark out outliers. The flag outlier node creates a new column with a yes value if the row contains an outlier in a specified column, and a no in all other rows. The flag outlier node can be used to profile data, clean data, and subsequently improve modeling performance. Here in the configuration pane of the flag outlier node, the only thing that the user needs to do is select the column which will be checked for outliers. For this example, we will use total expenditure. The user also has the option to modify the quantiles from which outliers will be selected. In this case, we will use the default values of 0.25 and 0.75 for the lower and upper quantiles, respectively. In this example, we will also use the columns cardinality node to find out how many outliers the flag outlier node has found. We can also use the row filter node to find out or to remove outliers which have been found by the flag outlier node. Now this workflow is ready to execute.